Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new, my name is Tamia and I thank you for joining. Today I'm going to show you how I got this beach bronzed look. This coral lip just ties it all together. I've obviously been in the sun, so my skin has an extra layer of glow and super tan, so I thought that this look would be perfect. To tie it all together, I went ahead and did some beach waves for you. So if all of that sounds good, then stay tuned and enjoy. Using Mercier foundation primer, like so. Just rub it in. Actually gives you a nice luminous glow, as you see. I'm gonna apply the CoverFX in N90. I like this foundation, I'm just not a fan of the way in which you have to squeeze it for it to come out. It can cause a lot of mishaps. Right, Anastasia, we're going in perfect. MAC Studio Finish Concealer in NC45. I'm going to take my Blot powder in Dark by MAC. I'm going to go in with my Covergirl brow pencil in Dark Brown. Brows are done. Now for Powdered Contour by IBY palette. I'm using Shady, which is the black by Dose of Colors. This is a matte line. And trust and believe, it gets really difficult to come off unless you use a makeup wipe. It's not running, it's not smudging, it's in place. Once you put it on, it's there. I'm going to use BH Cosmetics Nude Blush Palette. Gonna go in with CoverGirl's Vitalist Healthy Glow. That's the color. Literally just gonna use my finger to get that good highlight going. You can already kind of see what's happening. And I only put it there, along this line. Here she goes. I'm gonna go on with this Peacock mascara from CoverGirl. Ardell Studio Effects in 231. And I'm gonna go in with Ultra Cushion Gloss from Urban Decay. And this color is Snitch. So this is the final look. A little beach wave, beach glow action going on. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comment box below. As usual, I will leave the products listed below. If you haven't already subscribed, go ahead and click that button and subscribe so you get all the notifications and alerts as to when I'm posting and what I'm posting. And I hope to see you guys next time.